Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with BeautyFix.
Yay! And we're doing back-to-back videos, and we hopefully we'll post them back-to-back, just because
that would make more sense.
Yeah.
Okay, and this has been my favorite box, I would say, in the last, like 2 or 3 months. Yeah. How much is this one? I can't remember.
Is it the
26, I think. So it says we're here for the unabashed love of skin. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. I don't want anything to fall out. So
and I want to get this box because it is a really good box, but it's just like I don't want to keep getting the same box as Kim gets. I mean, how boring is that? So
okay. So it says BeautyFix by Derm Store. And it shows you the products inside.
I want.
Okay. So first thing I'm pulling out is I think it's like Vichy Laboratories sensitive skin allergy tested Vichy mineralizing thermal water lift active peptide C.
It says delivers intense moisture for 48 hours. That's pretty cool. I love moisturizers and cleansers.
Yeah, and it says it reduces wrinkles and contoured look, firms and brightens 48-hour hydration. Okay, next thing I am pulling out is Alterna. I should be saying this right. Caviar anti-aging, replenishing moisture, CC cream, 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in, but it's for hair, right?
I know, that's weird.
Yeah, it's for hair, but it
so
almost sounds like it's for face.
It says leave-in conditioner that corrects 10 major hair concerns. But yeah, I don't think that's a CC cream. That bugs me. I know it means it does everything is what it's trying to say, but that just bugs me.
Okay, Verso foaming cleanser for daily use.
It says gently washes away makeup and impurities without stripping skin.
So that's good.
So they got 2 products I really like so far.
Gosh, I can't believe I don't know how to say this right. Josie Marin, is it? Marin?
No
100% pure argan oil.
It says it's a lightweight face oil that hydrates sensitive and acne-prone skin.
And if it's 100%, I would use it in other ways too. Other days. And then Erno Laszlo, I think, New York, Hydrate Nourish Hydrophil Skin Supplement.
I feel like I have a couple of those. It says lock in moisture and calm irritated skin with this alcohol-free toner. I think it's a good one.
I feel like I gave you one of these recently.
I feel like you did. I feel like you did.
I feel like you did. And then Murads Hydration Night Fix Enzymes. They're 4 boosts.
Just wake up to refresh and ready for class complexion.
Okay.
A lot of skincare, which I mean, I like.
I think it always is, which is why I like it. First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream.
It says restore thirsty, dry skin with this intensely rich cream.
It has oil on it.
Oh, they gave you this one item. That's cool.
And
it's only so small.
My older son suffers from eczema, so some things I like to use on his skin. And then, is it Toka?
I say Toka.
Where's it at? It's not in here. No, just kidding. It's
not,
but it fell. Yeah, it's right here.
You want to
stick it back.
At least you have it and did not come with it. Your last item is weird, though. Yeah, you just have to push the...
okay, sorry. There we are. The proper way. That's what the front looks like, of course. Toka?
I say Toka, but it's probably wrong. I don't know. Let us know if we're pronouncing something incorrectly.
Florence.
But your last one's like a weird item.
The last thing...
I think I've gotten ones like that, but they're just so small. We drink a ton of water.
Okay, so it looks like this, first of all. It's just so you guys know how I'm opening it. It comes in this. But I know why it comes like this. Well, really, though, it's covered in silicone, so it should be anyway, unless it's a plain one. But
it says BKR 22 glass water bottle. Stay hydrated and stylish on the run. There's just a little
the
water.
The reason I like it is because the one I own is in sky blue, I would say. And I love pink and purple. And this is pink. So yay. I gave my son the blue one, but I'll keep this one because it's I know, I drink
like a cup of water.
I have a 64-ounce stainless steel one I use, but
yeah, I think they're so cute. It's a good idea, but they're just so tiny. I'd want it to be like much bigger myself. But I think all the products were good overall, though.
Yeah, I love this.
Something you always use that,
but I love it anyway.
But that was it for this video. If it was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and cover future giveaways. We're hoping to do another one, as I mentioned in our giveaway video, around September 20th or so. So we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.